Made in the USA? Yes, please.
Buckle up, Buttercup!
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm super excited to show you a brand new product added to the Buckle Up off-road lineup. The best part is it's made right here in the USA. Introducing the Buckle Up off-road blow-off valve spacers. Over the past year, we've invested a lot in our US manufacturing, especially in our in-house Florida manufacturing facility. And I'm proud to show you one of our products that not only looks great, but sounds even better. Blow-off valve spacers have always been a popular item at buckleupoffroad.com, but based on your feedback and my own experience, I thought, how can we make these even better? How can we make them louder? How can we make them with a universal fitment? We went back to the drawing board, and after months of testing and refining, we came up with our improved design. These new blow-off valve spacers feature a larger opening to release more air, giving you that louder swish sound we all love. They're also designed to be more universal, with a hardware kit that fits a wider range of vehicles, making it easier for customers to pick the right one. We also tighten the tolerance for a more precise fit, especially for EcoBoost platforms. And let's talk looks. We're offering these in bold, vibrant, American-inspired colors of red, blue, silver, and black. So they'll stand out in your engine bay. Installation is super easy. Whether you have a 2.3, a 2.7, or 3-liter EcoBoost, your kit will include all the hardware needed. Another great feature is it's compatible with the OEM charge piping and other aftermarket charge piping options. One installation tip to remember is the spacer and the valve can only go on one way. So if the holes aren't lining up, just rotate until it fits. These blow-off valve spacers are made from high-quality aluminum with CNC machined sound holes for maximum volume. Each one comes with premium O-rings for a no-hassle drop-in install. So if you're fast and furious, this is the perfect modification for you because it's easy to install and no other performance modifications are needed. But I know you're going to want to hear what it sounds like, so here are some sound clips on a 2.3, a 2.7, and a 3.0. So if you're looking to mod up your Bronco Raptor, Ranger Raptor, or more, be sure to check out buckleupoffroad.com and get your blow-off valve spacer. We're able to offer these at a very competitive price, and the best part is I'm going to give my viewers an extra discount. So if you guys are interested in that, feel free to shoot me an email at support@buckleupoffroad.com and say, hey, Krista, I watched your video to the end. Show me the discount. But that's going to wrap it up for this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. And until next time, buckle up, Buttercup.
Buckle up, Buttercup!